What's going on? Buckcats, Cool Cats. We're here. First game on the brand new PC, so, you know, we got the show decks ready for this game. So, we're gonna jump into it. I actually do not think I have my opponent's team up on screen yet. So, bad streamer. Woo! Bad YouTuber. What am I saying? Where is he? Dude, I do not have my screenshot feature. What am I doing? Well, I'll pull it up. That's not gonna show up either, yeah. Alright, so since I'm L streamer and don't have this figured out yet, and the game is in 9 minutes, we'll just do the reading. So it's regielekei, Lander, Asterian, Hydrogen, Talonflame, Garganaki, Zargasui, X, Chestnut, Bronzong. So we have our best. We have two of the best answers in the game to Eleki, so they're gonna be going brazen this game. First off, we got our win condition here, our Thunder Asterian, Wanda, Terra Blast, Thunderbolt, Nasty Plot, Focus Blast. This team just cannot switch into this very well. Its water and grass coverage just goes insanely hard into it. It's just, well, water, electric, yeah. I don't know what I'm saying. Let me find the teams. No. It just goes hard. The only thing that really can do anything is Chestnut into it, so. Yeah. Next up, we got Cosmo. This thing we're just trying to get in safely with pivoting in and out, just getting in safely. And quick, a super effective move into our opponent's team. Again, this thing has no switch-ins. There's not a good switch-in to it. You just kind of have to predict what move I'm going for and switch in that one. Unfortunately, it doesn't get Ice Beam, otherwise we'd be fully special. We have enough to kill Lando. I don't think we get a water move either. Oh, can't really do anything with that. Yeah, all we have is Energy Ball. This is the best Pokemon we got in this game. It's really, honestly, kind of scary. It goes hard into our opponent's team. And next up, we got the Crimson Jin running Scarf set this week. Rocks are so important in this fat team. We can still run Scarf. It's fat enough that we don't really care. There's going to be a point where he has to either defog with, defog with Talonflame or just kind of get bopped by something. So, that's why we got this. And then we got Ice Spinner to catch the Lander Asterian coming in. Was Earthquake, just hit everything hard. And then Rapid Spin to clear hazards. We wanted to run Volt Switch if we had a fifth move, we were running Volt Switch. I guarantee you that. It's just so important. Pivoting. Our offense is just pivot offense. So. Next up, we got the Palafin Choice Banded. We want Pelipper in Rain here. We don't really need the Overquill. But Jet Punch, Flip Turn, Zen, Wave Crash. This thing is here to have the switch in, the Toxic be the switch in, and then just pop it with a Zen Headbutt. And when that doesn't happen, we can get to a point where we can predict into a Flip Turn or a Wave Crash into the Hydra again. So, this thing's just here to nuke some things. It does like 80% to +2 Garganaki in the ring, which is crazy. Except we got Mr. Crocker, Leftovers, Pixelate, Moonblast, Wish, Protect, Baton. Again, we're running pivot offense. Our goal is to get into Cosmo and Wanda and just click buttons. So we want to be able to slow pivot and pivot around the whole team. That is the goal. This is the key to the game. It's the three P's. Positioning, pivot, or positioning/pivot, predict. That's we want to be doing one of the three things on each turn. We're either switching out, we're predicting, or we're punishing. Those are the three things we want to do on every single turn, and this team is built to do that. Got a Wagon Fruit. And then we have Heavy Duty Booties, Dinkelberg, Good Dinklebirds! The Pelipper. Hydro Pump, Hurricane, U-Turn, Roost. Again, Pivot. There's really no switchings to this Pelipper. Nothing really wants to come in freely on it. So that's a team for this week. And there's a good chance if we don't win this week, our opponent could go undefeated. I feel like that's the mindset I'm going in with. I just really want to win here. Uh, don't want to be undefeated going into week 6. That's not something I want. Also, I don't know if I've announced the pickups yet, but we are dropping the Chasmo, the Coupon Bound, and Typhlosion for Arcanine and Terra Mimikyu. So that's gonna be pretty cool. I'm a big fan of Mimi. Bringing my Shedinjas back, yeah. So I'm very excited to get those Pokemon and get a Switch, just because I think that we were never getting Typhlosion in, and we can use Arcanine more of as an Intimidate Mon instead of a Fire type like we were trying to use Typhlosion. And then Mimikyu is just another Terramon that our opponent has to prep for. It's very scary. So yeah, that's kind of the goals with the team now, and that's a good direction. I thought it was the last week to make transactions, but it's this week. So if we don't, so when we build this week, if we're too hindered by Arcanine or Mimikyu, we can still try to change something up. So just no Terra changes at this point because we've changed from Hoopa to Thundy and Typhlosion to Mimikyu. So we're stuck with Terra Thundy now and stuck with Terra Mimikyu. That being said, I will catch you guys in the. All right, we're back. Here we go. No. No. There we go. Dude, I can't. I just wanted to use Jordan on Strangle. That's not cool. I wanted to have spaces and everything. Ooh, we gotta mute that right away. So no Lando, which is interesting. The Zoroark, which eh, we're okay into, but we've already been over this. We just want to lead Wanda, the early Terra off. No Garganaki either. Just interesting. Could be screens Aleki at this point in the hyper offense. The GLHF. He's got the link posted. We I turned off timer, huh? Oh, it's requested by him. So we see his Aleki as Terra Water, meaning our Thundy more than likely walls at this point. Unless there's an explosion. Uh, I mean, Sylveon's always the answer here. Even if it's the Zora, we're not really worried about it. The Sylveon doesn't take much from Zoroark. Oh, so they just click the nasty plot button. We live +2. Well, this is probably the Zoroark then, yeah. We just go into Iron Treads here because we're scarfed and damn, that sucks. We can just click up the Jet Punch. Ah, do I want to just risk it and flip turn? Would it be the stupidest play to flip turn in the world? Would it be the stupidest play ever? Probably, but would it be above cat video without me flip turning? You should just go Pex. We're gonna predict. I think we're on the back foot already and just need to make a prediction. Like, I don't lose anything. I just lose some HP from just going for a Jet Punch at this point. And you know I kill with Jet. We're just gonna lock in the flip. If we die, we die, and I think it's GG's. But yeah, I really wanted to flip turn there, but we just couldn't. Hoopa you. Is it brazy to just Focus Blast here? Is it just stupid to Focus Blast? It's not. I'm clicking it. You can't leave this in. You don't also want to go to Hydreigon because I just predict it. But we kill. I think it's smart. I think it's smart to just Focus Blast here. We don't lose anything if we hit. Bang. There's 1P. We predicted. We got it. There's no switch into that. You cannot leave that Pex in that situation because you need it to body bag the Finn. So at this point, you don't know what item I am. I think I live a hit from anything on his team. If I can get the Zora out, we outspeed everything except the Regielekei, and the Regielekei can't touch our bond. So. This is Terra Water, so if it's not screens, if it's offensive. So this is Zorak. I'm fine just picking up the kill. We need that thing out of the way so Thundurus can break at this point. We're not water type yet, so I don't know if he's just gonna I don't know what he wants to do here. But we really do need this. We don't need the Sylveon in comparison. Because now we get to apply the same amount of pressure. Explosion here hurts, but we can just clean up with Palafin. +2. Focus blast. What is bullet proof? Is it black focus blast? It does. So we cannot leave that in. We just go Dinkelberg. Dinkelberg! And we're just U-turning out. Because even then we hit it hard and we can sack Hoopa, or we get the Pex, we catch the Pex or the Bronzong here. It's momentum offense. Dude, if we had Focus Blast for that Hydra again, we would have gone Terra Ice. We would have been fine, probably. Do I kill with Banded Palafin with like Wave Crash here? In rain. So we're gonna come into Banded Palafin. Even in bold, you still die, so you have to change out, and I'm gonna be able to pick up a free Zen on the Pex, yeah? Bang, free Zen. And you're in a bad spot now because I crit, even though the crit really doesn't matter, because it's a guaranteed 2-shot to begin with. Bang, so we get the free Pex for free. And what can he do to Wanda? Nothing. He can't do anything to Wanda. We do not eat. We're just okay. That's something that he can do, yeah. That's definitely interesting. Is that game? Is that damn, that's crazy. That is such a play. Oh, maybe he just has thunders. I don't know. We just have to go in Hurricane. Damn. That's a crazy play. So it's a roll. But even then we just have to flinch out the yeah, that's oh my goodness. And it was a roll too. I guess it was adamant. It was adamant, wasn't it? It was still adamant, dude. It was still a roll. Oh, 68% chance, dude. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. I dude, it was a roll. It was a double roll. 50% or kill 63 hurts. Oh, I just got two. So I lost my 50-50 and then lost a 60-40. Yeah, fun. Because at that point, he knows I'm banded, but I still lose to this chestnut. Yeah. So, I mean, I could have zenned into the Alecki and just tried to do something there. Then I lose the song. But damn, that stinks. That was a well played acrobatics. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.